Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to make an image move on CapCut PC. So the first step is to add the photo to your timeline. And then once the photo has been added, you then want to move to the position where you want it to start moving. So if you want to start it moving at the beginning or in the middle, it's up to you. Just move this so that you know where you want it to start moving. So for me, I want to start it to start moving around here. So from here, once you've selected your starting position, you then want to come to this section here and click on video. Under video, you then want to scroll down and look for the option transform. And next to transform, you should see this diamond icon right here, which is labeled add keyframe. So what you want to do is simply click on it to add a keyframe there. And then you want to come back to your timeline and move this downwards. And then from here, you also want to adjust your image. So you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can even choose to move it around, so like that. And once you've done that, you'll see a keyframe has automatically been added. So now it's up to you to decide how you want to keep adjusting your image as you continue creating keyframes. So let me move that down, then I can make it zoom in like that. Again, a keyframe has been added automatically. So just keep doing it until you're satisfied with how your image has been adjusted. And then once you're happy with the adjustments that you've made, you then want to just play the video. So go back to the beginning and then play. You can see how the image keeps moving around on my screen, which means I've successfully made it move. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.